Enable subscriptions or recurring payments. Well, most Shopify stores rely on one time sales. Sell a product, get paid, repeat. But this model has a big flaw. You are constantly chasing the new customer. Revenue is unpredictable. Lifetime value stays low, and you end up spending more on ads than you make, and that's exhausting and not scalable. Here is the shift. What if your customers paid you automatically every week, month, or quarter? Now, that's exactly what subscriptions make possible. Shopify has made this easier than ever. By offering recurring payments, or products or memberships, you can generate predictable monthly revenue, build stronger long term customer relationships, and offer convenient auto delivered solutions your customers love. From monthly coffee boxes and skincare kits to service retainers and digital access, subscriptions open up a powerful passive revenue stream. So let's walk through how to enable subscriptions in your Shopify store step by step. Step 1 is Shopify does not offer native subscription features yet, so you will need a third party app. Top recommended apps would be Seal subscriptions, that is a free and a paid, App Store subscriptions, and Recharge subscriptions that only has a premium model. So you install one from the Shopify App Store based on your needs and pricing. Let's find it out. I go to Shopify, go to apps, and I search for subscriptions. Okay, I see we have a Shopify subscription plan available as well. Shopify subscriptions. So it's free, popular for businesses in the United States, used directly in the Shopify admin, and works with the latest themes. Let's see a little more about it. So this is the best one, I would say then. It increases customer lifetime value and establishes predictable revenue with Shopify subscriptions. Languages available, these works with checkouts, customer accounts, category subscriptions, and it has a decent amount of 5-star reviews, so you can always go ahead and use it. And I click on install. So once I click on install, I will have to do some basic configurations around it. Let's see what those configurations are. Okay, create your first subscription plan, import existing contracts, update the product template, display subscriptions on your store, allow customers to manage subscriptions, and customize notifications. You start with creating a plan. So basically a product name, the internal description. Okay, so you subscribe and save a subscription. So let's say a monthly subscription. You search a product that you want to be sold on subscription. Let's say I want to sell chickpea 150 grams on subscription. Offer discount percentage off. I want to offer some discount if people go for a subscription plan. Well, yes. Delivery frequency is one every week or one every month, and the percentage off is 5% if they go for subscription. Once done, I click on save. Okay. Now let's have a look at it. I go to the chickpea product. I click on the preview, and let's see if subscription got activated here. This is chickpea. Okay, I do not want this pop-up. Okay, it's not active, so probably I'll have to activate subscription inside the product settings. Let me find out. So you see, since I updated international market, it's showing manage international pricing. This is a physical product, and here it is, purchase options, deliver every month, only sell this. Let's say we only sell this product as subscriptions. okay, and let's find it out if something changed over here. Okay, it's still the same for some reason. Probably this is a custom theme and it's not working here. So what should we do? Uh, let's try with some other store. So I have a few other stores. I'll go with basic store. So I would set up. I would open this additional this store, Epic Test Store 2, and so I'll possibly have to add subscription over here. I click on app, subscriptions, let's say subscriptions. Let's do it real quick. Click on install. I'm not sure if the plan is, so I click on create a plan. I do not have a product, so it won't come up here. So percentage of 1 month and an additional of 5% off. Click on save, subscription. I click on save. I see if there are any settings that I need to have. Payment method failure, subscription widget. Okay, I had to install this subscription widget, which is why it was not possibly showing in my apps in this particular store. So let me go back to the subscription app, go to settings, okay, so that was the reason why I was not seeing it, because the product page template was not updated with the subscription thing. Let's get it activated in the previous store that we were working. Okay, so there's a little bit of coding involved here. Add the following to the button to place subscription widget on your page. I really do not know how to code, but still let's give this a try. Product price, product rating, inventory, short description, product variant picker, and I would add it over here. Let's add it somewhere here. Okay, and hit on save. I'm not sure if this is gonna work. And I do a refresh here. Did it come somewhere here? No. Okay, so I'll go back to my previous two, to the new one that I was. So I will, let's reinstall the widget. Okay, so I got it. My earlier store, there's a problem with the app block. I'll go to products page. We do not have a product. Oh. So let's leave it at here. Leave it here. I do not want to waste a lot of time. But still, if you face any issues, do ask me about it in the communities or in the live coaching call, and we will fix that over there. Next is you set up notifications and auto renew reminders. What's that? Let's go back to the subscription app. So you display subscriptions on your store. You allow customers to manage, turn on subscription management, and you customize notifications. You click on edit customer notifications, and you can look for the subscription notifications over here. And once you are done with this, your subscription store is ready. So subscription turns casual buyers into loyal repeating customers, and they give you the revenue stability every store dreams of. Customers today are more open than ever to subscribe and save models. So give them that option. Whether you are selling physical goods, digital access, or even local services, subscriptions are a growth lever you can't ignore. Pick one product from your store, set it up with a subscription plan today, and post it in the community with what product did you choose for recurring payments and what plan did you create. This small step can unlock bigger results over the next 30 days. See you in the next lesson.